What is colorectal cancer? Colorectal cancer is cancer of the colon and rectum. Though they are two separate cancers, they're commonly referenced together, as they're both part of the body's digestive system. Colorectal cancer is a disease where unusual cells in the colon or rectum divide with no control and subsequently lead to a malignant tumor.
The two most common types of inherited colon cancer are hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer and familial adenomatous polyposis. Hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer, also called Lynch syndrome, is a genetic condition that puts one at a higher risk of colon cancer among other cancers. People with Lynch syndrome tend to develop colon cancer before the age of 50. Familial adenomatous polyposis is an inherited condition in which a large number of polyps line the large intestine. These polyps start out as benign, but if they are left untreated, they can become malignant and turn into colon cancer. Colorectal cancer can be diagnosed in both men and women. In the United States, about 1 in 21 men and 1 in 23 women are diagnosed with it, making it the third most common cancer in the United States.
What is the colon? The colon is the large intestine and is in the lowest part of the digestive system. Its job is to reabsorb fluids and remove waste products from the body. It can stretch from 4 feet to 6 feet. How does colorectal cancer develop from a healthy colon? Colorectal cancer is sometimes genetic, but can also develop due to unhealthy lifestyle habits such as excessive alcohol consumption, long-term smoking habits, having a high-fat or low-fiber diet, and obesity. Colorectal cancer begins as a small growth called a polyp on the inner linings of the colon or rectum. Most polyps are benign, but adenomatous polyps are known to be precancerous. These polyps can turn into cancer over the course of several years. Most polyps can be removed if found early. Colorectal cancer may also develop from abnormal cell growth in the lining of the colon or rectum. This is called dysplasia and is common in people with certain inflammatory bowel diseases. There are common symptoms that are seen across many colorectal cancer patients, and these include a change in bowel habits, blood in stool, abdominal discomfort, and unexplained weight loss. These symptoms typically aren't apparent in the early stages of the cancer, making it essential to get screened early. There are many ways doctors can diagnose colorectal cancer. The two main ways are through a colonoscopy and a blood test. During a colonoscopy, a flexible tube that has a camera at the end looks at the colon and rectum. Most people get this when they're 50. However, it's become increasingly more common for people to get it earlier. Certain blood tests can help diagnose whether you have colorectal cancer and monitor it if you do.
Well folks, that's all for today. I hope you learned something important from this video. Colon cancer, when detected early, can be treated with a 90% survival rate. That's high. That's why it's important to get screened early and get good information. Thanks for watching.